Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Reading a file from the class path in Java is a common task, especially when dealing with resource files like configuration files, properties, or text files that are bundled with your application. The class path is a parameter that tells the JVM, Java Virtual Machine, where to look for user-defined classes and packages in Java applications. Hashtag how to read a file from the class path in Java. 1. Place the file in the class path. Ensure that your file is in the class path. Typically, this would mean placing it in the src/main/resources directory if you're using a standard Maven or Gradle project structure. For non-Maven projects, it can simply be in the src directory or in a designated resources folder. 2. Use classloader or getresourceasstream. You can use the classloader to access resources from the class path. The getresourceasstream method is commonly used for this purpose because it provides an input stream, which is ideal for reading the contents of files. Hashtag example code. Here's a simple example demonstrating how to read a text file from the class path. Hashtag 1. Create the file. Assume you have a text file named example.txt with the following content. Place this example.txt file in the src/main/resources directory. Hashtag 2. Java code to read the file. Hashtag explanation of the code. Class loader. The class loader is used to load resources from the class path. The getResourceAsStream method attempts to find the file and returns an input stream which can be used to read the file. Buffered reader. This is used for efficient reading of the text from the input stream. It reads the text line by line. Try with resources. This feature ensures that all resources are closed properly after their use, preventing memory leaks. Error handling. If the file is not found, a message is printed, and exceptions are handled to avoid crashing the program. Hashtag running the code. 1. Ensure you have the file example.txt in the src/main/resources directory. 2. Compile and run the file reader example class. 3. You should see the contents of the file printed to the console. Hashtag conclusion. Reading files from the class path is a straightforward process in Java. By following the steps above and using the provided code example, you can easily manage resource files within your application. This approach is particularly useful for configuration files and other static resources that your application needs to function correctly.